Hello everyone, we are going to talk about graphs today. In this course in the past you have seen linear data structures such as stack and queues, and then subsequently we studied some trees related data structure, for example heap, red black tree, etc. And now we are going to look at graph. It's a distinctly different object compared to the past you have seen, and it allows us to solve a new range of problems. Let us consider this problem that is called the problem of Königsberg's bridges. Okay, so there are 4 land masses in a city, and they are connected via 7 bridges as marked in this figure. And you can see that this bridge makes an odd pattern among them. And somebody asked this question: can we walk around the city in a way such that we cross all the bridges exactly once and we cover all the villages? The answer to this question is actually no, but proving that there is no way to construct such an path was extremely hard. So what we do today is we model this problem as a graph. We may consider these 4 land masses as nodes and the 7 bridges as edges. This problem is considered the first graph theory problem. Euler gave the solution to this problem and stated the precise condition under which the such paths exist, otherwise paths are not possible. So what is a graph finally? The graph is a set of nodes, in this case A, B, C, D, which are connected by edges. So formally we write V comma E, and V is a set of nodes A, B, C and D, and you can see that they are connected by edges mentioned by this set E. However, please note that this is not a set. This is a multi-set. An edge may appear multiple times. 2 cities, 2 land masses can be connected via multiple bridges. Graphs are everywhere in practical world. For example, let's say you have a railway network and you have to optimize the railway traffic. Then you need to model your problem as some kind of a graph, and then you do some kind of graph analysis on this network. Similarly, you may find these problems in almost every area of science. For example, here in biology, you can model influence of one molecule to other molecules via graph, and then you can solve various biological problems using the graph analysis. Now let's look at the formal definition of the graph. Okay, so formal definition states there is a pair V comma E, which is we call graph. V is a set of nodes, and E is a set of unordered pairs of the elements of V. For example, you have this graph where you have 4 nodes and 5 edges. Notice that now I have removed multiple edges between the pair of nodes, because there are 2 possible definitions here of graph. One is when you use E is a multi-set, another case E is a set. So first let's treat it as a set, and later when we want to solve the Königsberg problem, then we will treat it as a multi-set and then solve that problem at that point. Now we will study some basic concepts of graphs, and then we will study the problems related to graph theory.